Okay, so it's a little bit later into the next week, and I'm going to show you how to install the adapter for your water temp sensor thing. This one's from Racing Beat, and I'm showing you how to do it as per their instructions and stuff. Now, what you want to do is locate your heater core hose. Your heater core hose is located right here. If you want to verify it for yourself, just follow this line all the way back. And it should go down into your rear iron, which is down there. I think right down there, but follow it, you'll find it. Anyway, what you want to do is just make a cut right here in this bend angle thing. And you're probably gonna make a bit of a mess, so you want to have something there to catch some of the coolant. It's also most ideal if you do this when it's dead cold. Now, I think it's still fairly warm, so there could be a little bit more coolant than I want to deal with, but I've been putting this off for a little bit too long, and I just want to get it done. So we're just gonna send it. And a couple things you want to have on hand before you actually go balls deep into it, before you realize that you needed them. You want to have a couple hose clamps. I don't have two the same ones, so whatever works. And you also want to wear gloves because you're going to be cutting stuff. If you're just using a razor like this, you want to have gloves, because otherwise this shit happens. Got a big old chunk of meat out of myself. So yeah, don't be stupid like me. No gloves, no gloves. All right, let's get to it. You still got a nice surplus of rags down there, so hopefully that's enough. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut right about here. And when you do this, you want to make sure that your cut's as clean and even as possible. So like nothing jagged or anything. Anyway, so far so good. And then I'm gonna take this guy, just stick her in there. I'm gonna be able to get that back out. And then I'm gonna take the hose clamp up through there. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna cut some more off of that because see if there's a little bit kinked in there. Where is it? I don't know where my razor blade went. Give me a minute. Okay, found the razor blade. So I think the extra meat I'm gonna take off is gonna be like up to about here. Let's go ahead, get a nice clean cut. You don't want to cut too much meat off, because otherwise, yeah, it's just gonna suck. I'm not sure how much you can see of me doing this right now, or if it's just my hand showing, but okay, that bullshit's out of the way. So let's go ahead, put our hose clamp on, and just pop her right in there. And I'll just go ahead and clamp her on down. Nice and snug. The other one down there is just fine. And just like that, the Racing Beat adapter is installed. So next thing you want to do is the wiring. So you get your ground wire. You could just connect that to get this shot out of here. Connect that to body ground or something like that. I think I'm just going to go ahead and connect it to this ground wire, which goes to your intake manifold right there. But I'm going to do it down here. You can't really see right there, that little guy. And then this one will go to the sensor wire, which I'll just go back around here and stuff like that. And so for that oil temp sensor, I don't think I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video, but I see I'll just show you an example of the T adapter that I've been talking about. But yeah, you need that to tap into the oil pan drain plug, and then that way you'll be able to read oil temp and stuff like that. But wiring is exactly the same as the water temp sensor. Both sensors are exactly the same, and then all gauges will be functioning. And see if I get all that working and stuff like that, then after this clip you'll see another clip of all the gauges working and stuff like that. If not, then I'll move forward from here. But I gotta go to work now, so I'm not gonna do the wiring right now, but after work I probably will.
The next day.
Okay, so I did this all last night, but I kind of finished it up today, and yeah, got it all wired in. I still need to get a little thing to actually connect this properly, but ground is just connected right there. I'll get a little end thing so I can put a bolt through it, or that bolt through it, and then that'll be fine. Then I got the signal wire routed over through here. Actually, I'll try and hide that a little bit more down there. Do that in a sec. Going all the way along the firewall, under here. And just finished off down here. All the extra wiring. And then, yeah, just right there. You can clean up a little bit more than that, make it a little bit prettier, but then again, nobody's gonna see any of this. It's much cleaner than the RX-7's is. 3 degrees. Water temperature, that went down a couple degrees. And of course the oil temperature is not going to be working because it's not connected. I used to have one other gauge connected. Now it's going down more. Okie dokie. Yeah, of course for the oil temperature I still need to connect this little guy right here. And to do that I need that T adapter so I can put it where the oil drain plug is and then just adapt it there. But anyway, I'm not going to do that in this video just because this is already drawn out longer than it really should have been, but I'm hoping at least this helps some of you out to show you how to put gauges and stuff like that in a low-tech gauge pod in a Series 2 RX-8. Anyway, again, hope this helps some of you out. Comment, like, subscribe, and whatever other bullshit that YouTubers say and stuff like that. But yeah, that's the end of this video. See ya. Let me know if you have any questions.